Hi guys, today I'm going to explain you how to use the PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint more effectively and how to make your presentations more attractive. So here I'm going to open the Microsoft PowerPoint file. So this is basically the display page of the Microsoft PowerPoint. These are the some icons from where you can make your presentation. So this is the home page. In the home page there are several icons you can see. So from here you can add slides. These are all the content of the slides, the title slide and content, anyone you want to display you can use from here. This is the layout which you want to add and etc. Then again from here you can use your font style. Normally the Times New Roman use with the font size 12. So these are the icon. From here you can use the words on the middle of the page. These are the side corner, this is the left corner, and these are all the uh, icons from you. You can also use this. Secondly, at the insert page, this is an insert page, this one. From here you can add the symbols, you can add the pictures, you can add the shapes. From here is a picture icon, here is a shape icon. These are all the content, all the icons you can use. You can also add smart charts to your presentations. This is the category. Here you can use the bar chart, pie chart, etc, etc, all anyone you want. Secondly, you can also use the hyperlink in your presentation by using this a hyperlink. And you can change your text body. You can use you can add symbol, you can add sound also. These are all the effects that Microsoft PowerPoint can give, and this make your presentations more effective. And what's the most important thing, you can also add the designs to your presentation. These are all the categories of your slides which you can use. Let me show you the demo, this one. Or if you want to add this one, so see this is the display of this one. Same like this, you can add anyone you want. If we use this blue, this black, this, these are all the categories. So this is a very good option in the Microsoft PowerPoint to make your presentations more attractive. Next comes also animations. You can also add animations like this. You get, this is the animation number 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and later so on. You can add any of type of animations you want in your presentation, so you can add easily. The last but not the least, this is the slideshow in your presentation. You can use, these are the options, recording narrations, or you can use the timings, and you can use the custom slideshow, anyone you want, from the beginning to start or the start to end. The anyone you want to show, anyone you want to add, any feature you want to add. So these are all the categories of this. You can see this is a from beginning, from current file, custom slideshow, setup slideshow, setup. These are all this icons. Then you can add resolutions of your screen. You can use the current resolution, but you should always use a current resolution if you want any resolution in your slides. So these are the basically the basic features in the Microsoft. So hope you guys enjoyed it. So let's come to the last but not the least, that's the home page. So here you can also increase the size of your page by using this, like this and this. This is not the last option. Thank you.